796 species in genus Alchemilla. January 28th, Canara. The regal artichoke symbolizes January 28th. You are multi-layered and complex with a heart of gold. Your depth and authenticity earn you respect and admiration. The enchanting world of Alchemilla, a personal journey. My name is Ferbvu, and I've always been drawn to the subtle beauty and quiet strength of plants. There's a particular genus, however, that holds a special place in my heart. Alchemilla, commonly known as lady's mantle, belong to the Rosaceae family. These unassuming perennials, with their delicate, scalloped leaves and frothy clusters of chartreuse flowers, possess a charm that's both captivating and enduring. My fascination with Alchemilla began in my grandmother's garden. I remember being mesmerized by the way dewdrops would gather on the leaves, like tiny jewels shimmering in the morning light. She called them fairy cups and told me stories of how alchemists believed these droplets held magical properties. Years later, I'm still enchanted by these plants. Their resilience, adaptability, and understated elegance make them a welcome addition to any garden. Let me share with you what I've learned about this fascinating genus. A diverse family. Alchemilla is a large genus, with hundreds of species spread across the globe. While they share certain characteristics, each species has its own unique beauty and appeal. See full list at monsteraholic.com. More than just a pretty face. While Alchemilla is undoubtedly a beautiful genus, its appeal goes far beyond aesthetics. These plants have a long history of use in traditional medicine, particularly in Europe. They're believed to have astringent, anti-inflammatory, and wound-healing properties. In the garden, Alchemilla plays a valuable role as well. Its dense foliage helps to suppress weeds, while its shallow roots make it an ideal companion for other plants. The flowers, though small, are attractive to pollinators, adding to the biodiversity of the garden. Cultivating Alchemilla. One of the things I appreciate most about Alchemilla is its ease of cultivation. These plants are relatively low maintenance and can thrive in a variety of conditions. Here are a few tips for success. Soil. Alchemilla prefers well-drained soil, but it can tolerate a range of soil types. Sunlight. Most species prefer partial shade, but they can also grow in full sun or full shade. Water. While Alchemilla enjoys moist soil, it's important to avoid overwatering. Pruning. Deadheading spent flowers can encourage further blooming. Dividing clumps every few years can help maintain plant vigor. A timeless treasure. In a world that often seems to value flash and spectacle, Alchemilla offers a refreshing alternative. Its beauty is subtle, its strength understated. Yet, it possesses a timeless quality that transcends trends and fads. For me, Alchemilla represents the enduring power of nature. It's a reminder that true beauty lies not in ostentation, but in the quiet grace and resilience of the natural world. I encourage you to explore the world of Alchemilla and discover its magic for yourself.